It's another morning. Yeah, it is. Yep.
I figured you were thinking that something went really wrong.
That's what
I was thinking that you're probably thinking, son bump into a cottonmouth, got bit. Now he's got SOS daggum service and he's going into anaphylactic shock like Cole done.
After Zach's departure, Cole and I are back to hunt together.
I always cook it with potato.
But after a morning of unsuccessfully trying to pull a gobbler off private, Cole and I head back out for the afternoon hunt. We're late into March, and the action is heating up.
The real horse collar.
That's a horse collar.
That's a horse collar right there. Horse collar, horse. Horse on the collar.
Nowhere near public.
Oh, look at his beard flapping in the wind. Oh, should we ask permission?
Yeah.
I'd say that's a good bird. Yes, my name's Roy Holdford. I'm a turkey hunter from North Carolina, and I spotted a turkey out in one of y'all's fields off of... I was just wondering if you would give me permission to hunt it just for today. I'm only here for the next couple days, but if not, it's totally cool. Okay, no problem. Well, thank you for your time. Thank you. Have a good day. That land is leased. We don't let people hunt there. It's worth a try. Hello?
Hey, Mr. Roy.
Hey, how's it going?
That is open to hunting.
Okay, so can you cross the corner there?
Yeah, where the two corners come together, if it's right there at the two corners, yes, you can, because basically what you're doing is stepping foot over from at that corner marker. When you step foot from one section, all you're doing is stepping over to another section.
Okay, cool.
Because I will tell you this: if the landowners are sitting there and they watch you step foot from, and they want to show their butt, y'all just give me a call back, because I will tell you that it is not a problem as long as you're stepping from one. You're perfectly fine.
Okay, awesome. That's great. All right, thank you. We appreciate it.
After getting the go-ahead to go into this spot from the game warden, I went in to roost. I heard one gobble before birds were flying up, but that was enough for me. The next morning, Cole and I head back in after him.
I didn't hear him. Did you hear him for sure?
Yeah, for sure.
Pretty sure he gobbled. Yeah, I thought I heard that. Pretty damn far. Way back there. We're almost to the back corner of this. Crow just fired off. Bird gobbled. Sounds like he's on the power line. Where we are is not somewhere where we can kill a turkey. Oh, boy's out there. We knew he'd be there. We knew he'd be there. I think he's just around the corner there. But we're gonna try to back up and find someplace that's open enough to where we think we can call one in. And then hit him with a cow. Hopefully he responds. He just gobbled to a crow twice, so. coming. Was that right here? He's coming. Way closer. He might do it. He's just gotta not get hung up out there. You hear that? I don't know why. They coming. Oh, there's a road. I think he's on it. And it seems like it connects to the other power line. Just like a little shortcut through the corner there. Pretty sure he's right on that. Pretty sure he is. He's a GOBBLER. That's our goal.
We sit on that bird for about an hour and a half, but he just stays hung up in the power line until a storm came and pushed us out of there. On our hour-long walk back to the van, we got pretty drenched. With the rain, we headed to Starbucks to crank out some editing and get some videos up. We head back out in the evening and end up roosting the tom again. This time he's smack in the middle of public, so we make a plan to get in between him and the power line in the morning.
Cole and I are back in here where we roosted that bird last night. We're walking through and we honestly got right to the area we were sitting in last night. We just spooked 2 turkeys out of a tree like what would have been right above us last night, so they must have been limb hopping. Probably just gonna sit tight till he starts gobbling, and if we need if he does, if we didn't spook him. If he starts gobbling and we need to make a move, then we will, but we may be able to just call him right here. I'd like to be in between him and the power line over there, but we keep spooking turkeys, so we're just gonna hang tight for right now. Alright, so we did just gobble. Me and Cole sat here maybe 2 or 3 minutes and he just gobbled, so we're gonna try to just keep moving. We think that if these birds have been limb hopping, he's probably been hearing wings flapping all night, so we're gonna just keep easing up. Hopefully we don't spook any more turkeys, but if we do, I'm not too concerned about it. I just know that we gotta get in between him and the power line, so that's what we're gonna try to do right now. He's right on the edge. He's 100 yards. Yeah, he's definitely 100. See these 2 double trees, man. dude. Are you kidding? Oh my, dude, that was the queeb coming in, not goblin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go get him. Just make sure. I'm sorry about this damn camera lens. I was trying all night. It's sweet footage though, dude. He was right behind that tree.
He was getting out of there.
Yeah, I'm glad you told me it was, because he was standing right there for a while, and I was like, oh, he just has to take like 2 steps out from.
Did you lean out?
As he was getting out of there, he finally cleared that tree for me. Dude! I don't think this is the big bird, huh? Guess it could be.
I don't know, he's got a pretty long beard on him. The hooks on that thing, dude. Jesus.
Wow. Well, Cole, this is my biggest bird to date. Oh, thanks. That one that was gobbling close here, I watched him pitch out into the power line over there.
This is probably the one that was gobbling last night.
I mean, it's the one we set up for. I don't know which time this was.
I don't think he ever saw us, but I think he didn't see the hen.
Oh, give that a whiff.
This is where we were set up. We had this big, or this horizontal limb. I was behind it and Roy was right in the V of it. Oh, I'm sure the GoPro is just sick right over your shoulder. Dude,
Probably.
that turkey's way bigger than mine.
That's big boy. That's our big bird. So it is my biggest bird to date.
Oh, now the lens is finally almost
It's still one spot there.
Yeah, it's tiny now. It was that big spot now, dude. Dude, this is like the coolest turkey that I've ever killed. Like, just maybe not like whatever. They're all sweet, but just like the process of everything. Like, it sucks to get in here.
Oh yeah.
So the way that we have to hunt this bird or access this property is such a hassle. We have to park like 3/4 of a mile down the road onto public, because the way that the ground that we're on right now lays out, there's only a tiny sliver, like a corner, that is public that you can access from, but there's nowhere to park there. So we have to park 3/4 of the mile down the road, walk down the paved road past 2 houses with dogs that don't like us at all. And then
2 of them are chained, 2 of them are not, and they were on the road after trying to bite our ankles last night.
oh yeah, that was fun. Once we finally get in here, we have to, I mean, it's thicker than hell in some spots, and it's just like so easy to get turned around.
Oh god.
Like we
got lost yesterday morning, I think, or yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday afternoon, yeah, we got lost. We were coming in here and we just like got completely turned around. So,
The creek.
yeah.
The river.
And so there's the creek that we have to cross, which we made pretty good time across it this morning. We're getting pretty good at crossing that log, but
it's not fun though.
oh yeah, not fun to get across that creek. And then we have to corner cross from one square of public to the next square. And then once we're finally back in here, it kind of looks like good open woods. But yesterday, that bird was just hung up there gobbling on the power line for, I mean, the entire morning until it started raining. So
Just a beautiful morning.
oh dude, it's perfect weather. It is perfect weather.
55 and sunny.
Oh,
And dead calm.
don't forget that on the way in here we spooked turkeys out of the tree. So
Where we were like pretty much standing last night.
yeah, I think this is the bird that we heard gobbling on the roost last night, and then there was another one in here gobbling that pitched into the power line. I think he gobbled like 3 times maybe in the tree.
Maybe not even.
And then-
I think I only remember 2.
Yeah, and then I heard him fly down, and this one over here was hammering, so I just kind of really didn't even pay attention
Which
to
we
this
never
one.
heard this one last night.
Yeah, never heard this one last night. And then he pitched into the power line over here, and then I thought I heard drumming like real faint in the direction that this one flew down in. And then lo and behold,
And then you yelped a couple times and scratched.
yeah, and I mean, he never gobbled to that, but
eventually I just started hearing drumming slowly fade in. And then the last time he did, I was like, oh, Cole, he's like right here.
Which is like exactly what happened with the turkey I shot.
Yeah.
It's like the same deal. Like fly down and you hear him drumming. It was a faster process.
But
then he just came long necking his way in. And right at the last second, he's scooting out of there.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I don't know that many people have been a part of shooting a turkey in Florida with a stocking hat on and a shirt for a face mask. Because I forgot my hat and my face mask. And these are Roy's gloves. I've just continuously lost things throughout the week.
It's honestly impressive how many things you've lost.
and I lost a GoPro for like 3 days, but it was just in my toiletries bag.
Oh yeah. Hello.
Did you get him?
We got the big bird.
Did you?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Just heard him.
Wild. It's definitely the bigger one.
It's a big turkey.
Really?
Yeah.
Significantly bigger than mine. Like kind of massive hooks and
certainly the biggest hooks I've ever killed.
Dude, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take the tape to him just here in a second.
Yeah, good. I need an official score all around.
Yeah, over.
And that one's gonna conclude my Florida trip for me. And man, what a sweet trip it was. I hunted with more friends than I ever have, really. And was on birds pretty much every single day. And really got the sense that I, quote-unquote, earned it. I'll meet up with Zach and Cole at another point in the season for sure, but for now, it's on to the next thing.